going on, everybody? Today I will be making a video on how to add bookmarks in the Firefox browser. So as long as you have the Firefox browser installed on your machine, you can go ahead and launch it. Then we'll just go to a test website, say ESPN, and in the top right corner you'll see this little star. If you just select the star, you can name it whatever you like. And if you select the bookmark toolbar, it'll go straight to the toolbar section right here underneath. And if you select the other bookmarks, it'll go to a folder that you have created that you can select over to your left. I usually just like to use the bookmark toolbar because it's easier to see, as you see here. Once you click save, as you can see, ESPN is now loaded. So if we wanted to do another one, we went to YouTube and we selected the same thing, click save. Now YouTube is listed as well. Hopefully that was helpful and you have a nice rest of your day.